Okay, here are solutions to perfect problem 5 for Math 95. We're given a huge mess and asked to simplify it. I think what might help is to kind of take this piece by piece. 5 squared just means 5 times 5 is 25. Then we got a 2 to the 5th here. 2 to the 5th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times. And 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And 25 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power except for 0 to the 0 power is equal to 1. So up top we kind of will have these numbers to deal with. See on the bottom here, 27 to the negative 3 halves is a little bit tricky. I think the easiest way to think about it is, all right, the negative just puts it on the bottom of a fraction. So we have 1 over 27 to the 2/3. Let's see, raising something to the 2/3, you can kind of think about it like we're raising it to the 1/3 times 2, which you can rewrite as the cubed root of 27, since we're raising it to the 1/3, squared, since it's times 2. So let's see, the cubed root of 27 is just 3. So we have 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 3 times 3, or 1/9. 2 to the negative 1/2 times 2 to the 5 halves. We got the same base here, so what we want to do is add the exponents. Negative 1/2 plus 5 halves is 4 halves, which is the same as 2. So we have 2 squared, which is just 4. And with all those pieces, we can simplify this quite a bit. Let's see, we have the negative of the cubed root of, let's see, 25 minus 2 to the 5th was 32 minus 25 to the 0 is 1. And we want to divide that by the square root of 1/9 times 4. Something like that. Okay, so we got the negative of the cubed root of 25 minus 32 is negative 7, minus 1 more is negative 8. 1/9 times 4 is 4/9. So I got the square root of 4/9. And so, let's see, the cubed root of negative 8 is negative 2. So we have negative 2 divided by the square root of 4/9 is 2/3. So, okay, negative and a negative cancel out, and we get a positive 2 on the top. Think about it as 2 over 1 if you want, divided by 2 over 3. That's the same as 2 over 1 times 3 over 2, because the way you divide fractions, put the equal sign down here, is like multiplying fractions, but you multiply by the reciprocal. And now what happens are these negative 2's will cancel each other out. And so we're left with just 3 is our final answer. And I think I gave you a hint on this one. The answer is the number of consecutive conference titles that my beloved Oregon Ducks football team have won. Maybe have currently won. They've won 3 in a row is what I'm trying to get at. 3 straight Pac-12, Pac-10 for one of them titles. So the Ducks are pretty good. But 3 is the answer. That's the end.